Hi there! In today's video, I'm going to be making a cauliflower roast. So I washed the cauliflower, so now I'm going to remove all of this. So this part holds it together, so don't cut this. So here I have some organic rosemary that I'm going to use to put on top of the cauliflower. I'm slicing up an onion. You can use any onion. I only have a red onion, so that's the one I'm going to use. Just a half an onion. And this is going to go around the potatoes. I have 4 cloves of garlic here. So I have some melted dairy-free butter here, 1/3 cup. And I'm going to add the garlic to it. I have a cast iron skillet here. You're going to want to use something like this, or like a Dutch oven or something. And I'm putting some olive oil on it. So now I'm going to put the cauliflower in, upside down. And I'm going to brush some of the butter on it. Make sure you put it like in the middle so it can get in between all the cracks. Make sure you get the garlic. See all that garlic that came off? Now I'm going to add some sea salt. Just sprinkle it around on all sides. Some black pepper. And some adobo seasoning. I'm going to dice up some red potatoes. Now I'm going to add some sea salt to the potatoes, little black pepper, and some oregano, some olive oil, and the onions. Now I'm going to add the potatoes around the cauliflower. Adding the rest of the onions and some rosemary to the top of the cauliflower.
Oh, it's Christmas time. I feel sad, I can't help it. Got you on my mind. I don't know how to cope this. Because it's Christmas time.
Thanks for watching. That's it for today's video. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.